Good morning, Standard 5 students. Today in this class, we will discuss about the song I Obey the Law and the quotation given in this lesson 4. So, let us discuss about the song. The song is I obey the law, I obey the rules, I obey my parents and my teachers too. If I need to question authority, I do it very respectfully. I do what I am asked to do by my family, my teachers, my country, and my faith. Obedience is playing by the rules, it keeps things fair and keeps me safe. When I listen to God's guidance that plays within me, that knows what's right, I have the courage to stand in confidence for what is true and change darkness to light. When I step out of obedience, I break a rule, I break a law. I have the courage to face a just consequence. I forgive myself and make a new start. And the memorize is obedience to parents is like obedience to God, we will discuss today. So, let us see about first rules. What are rules and how they help us? Following the rules help us in many ways reach our full potential. That means if we will follow the rules, then we will be disciplined and we will do the work very potentially and we will reach our full potential. Increase productivity. If we will follow the rules and according to the rules we will do the work, then it will increase the productivity of our work, enhance our focus. If we will follow the rules, we will obey our elders, our parents and teachers, then it will enhance our focus towards our goal. We will fix our aim and we will follow the rules for fulfilling our aim, then it will enhance our focus to our aim. Feel respected. If you will follow the rules of your country, your parents, your elders, and every field, we have to follow the law. If you will follow the law, then we will be respected in every way. All will respect us and we will also get success in our life. Learn effectively. We can learn effectively by following the rules and regulations, whatever, whenever you will go in any field, whether it is a school or your any work field, it is necessary to follow some rules and regulation. Everywhere, in every organizations or any where you will go, there are some rules for everything. Without rule, anything cannot be done properly. Improve our education. According to rules and regulation, if we will follow the rules of the class, rules of the school, and rules of our work, then we will improve our education level. Make class enjoyable. In the class, if you will follow the rule, then class will be enjoyable. If students will not obey the rules and regulations made for the students, and they will not listen to the teacher, or if they will not break the rules, then class will be disturbed and it will not be enjoyable for the students. Rules wrap. Rules can be helpful, rules can be good. They help us behave and do as we should. We follow the rules and we don't do wrong. World's a happier place when we all get along. That means rules are very helpful to us. They are very good for us. They can make us good. They can make us disciplined. They can give us success. And do we should they help us behave, and when we behave by following the rules, we behave properly and we do our work also very properly. So we should always follow the rules and regulations of the work, whatever we are doing, study or in game or in any field. In game also you have to follow some rules and regulations. So every field of life we have to follow the rules and we obey the rules so that we can get success in any field. And we don't do wrong. If you will follow the rules, then there will be less chance of being wrong. After breaking the rules, there will be wrong things. So if we will not break the rule, we will obey the rules and regulations and accordingly we will work, then the world will become a happier place and we will all work together and will make the world a very living happier place. Now let us see about the words that is given in this song. I obey the law, I obey the rules, I obey my parents and my teachers too. If I need to question authority,
I do it very respectfully. That means whatever rules are made for me and whatever rules and regulations and laws are made by my parents, by my teachers, or any authority that is assigned to give some order to us, they are giving orders or they are making the laws and rules for our own good. So, if we will follow the rules, it will be good for our own life and our own goal, our aim. So, if we have any question from the authority, that means those who are giving us order, those who are making rules for us, then we should do it very respectfully. If you have any question from your authority, then you can ask the question, but with respectfully. With respect, you have to ask. I do what I am asked to do by my family, my teachers, my country, and my faith. Obedience is playing by the rules, it keeps things fair and keeps me safe. That means whatever asked from me, that only I should do. My family asked me what to do, I do what my teachers asked me to do. My country also has some laws that also I have to follow, I follow that rules. And my faith and all my beliefs and faiths, whatever made in these rules and regulations, I follow. Obedience is playing by the rules. Obedience means playing by the rules. If you are obedient, then you will do follow all the rules and you will obey all the laws and rules. It keeps things fair and keeps me safe. If you will follow, if I follow the rules and regulations, then it keeps me fair. That means it saves me from doing wrong, for doing wrong. And it will be I will be safe also if I will be obedient and I will obey the rules. When I listen to God's guidance, that place within me that knows what is right. If God has given us some guidance, that means it is correct. That means I should understand that whatever God has given us guidance, that is very correct and right for us, because God always does right for us. I have the courage to stand in confidence for what is true and change darkness to light. If I will follow the rules, then I will have confidence, I will have courage to stand with confidence. Then whatever I am doing, that is not wrong, that is correct. And for what is true and change darkness to light, and whatever I am doing, that is true, because I follow the rules and I obey the rules and my parents and guidance, whatever given to me, that I follow. So I have full courage and I know that it is true and I can change the darkness into light by all these. When I step out of obedience, I break a rule or I break a law. If I will not obey the parents, I will not obey the rules and laws, then I will break law also and I will break the rule also. I have the courage to face justice consequence. That means if I will break the law, I will break the rules, then I have to face whatever result will come, that will not be good, and I have to be ready to face these difficult situations and consequences of this. But I forgive myself and make a new start. Then, whenever by chance if I do any mistake, I become wrong, then I will forgive myself for this and I will start again new, and I will promise myself that I will not do wrong things again, and I will start again being obedience and obeying the rules and the laws. Now there is a quotation also, obedience to parents is like obedience to God. Now we will discuss about this quotation. So I believe in obeying the rules, law. So we all should believe in obeying the law, because it keeps the world a very happier place if everyone will obey the laws and rules. Now quotation, obedience to parents is like obedience to God. Let us see about this obedience. Never forget your parents. They are the reason why you are and who you are. That means your parents are your God. They have brought you on this earth, and they are the reason how you have come on this earth and why you have come and who you are. They have given only you the designation, the whatever you are on this earth is from your parents only. So we will see about
What should children do? Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right. Honor your father and mother, which is the first commandment with a promise, so that it may be well with you and that you may live long on the earth. If you will if you will obey your parents, if you will make your parents happy, then God will also become happy. Honor your father and mother as the first commandment. You understand the first duty of yours is to obey your parents, to make your father and mother happy, and you promise yourself that you will never hurt your parents and you will always try to make them happy, so that it may be well with you. If you will do well with them, it will be good for you, and that you may live long on the earth. By the blessings of your parents and God, you will live long on this earth happily. Children, obey your parents in everything, because this please the Lord. If you will obey the parents, then God will also be very happy with you. Your parents gives you many things in lifetime, most of which you will not appreciate until way after they are gone. That time you don't feel that it is very good things that your parents are doing for you, but when they will not be on this earth, then you will miss them and you will think that whatever they have done for you was so good and so kind of them. Parents are the biggest of all the blessings in this world. So, my dear students, children, you should always follow your father and mother, and you will not hurt your mother and father or your parents. Thank you, all of you. We will meet again in the next class. Thank